This video examines abiotic and biotic factors. Ecology is the study of the environment. More specifically, ecology is the study of the ways organisms interact with each other and their non-living surroundings. This is a very broad field of study because there are so many different types of organisms and so many different types of surroundings. Ecology deals with how organisms are adapted to their surroundings and how they interact with their surroundings. It also deals with how an area is changed by the presence and activities of organisms. Ecology also studies the flow of energy and matter. Ecology describes how organisms are dependent upon each other and their surroundings. This means that the study of ecology is broken down into many different specialties and levels of organization. The environment is everything that affects an organism throughout its lifetime. When you think of how long some organisms live and how far they travel, the environment encompasses many places and factors. We often divide the environment into abiotic and biotic factors. Abiotic factors are non-living things that influence an organism. They are typically placed into three categories: energy, non-living matter, and physical characteristics. Energy is required by all living things to survive. Organisms use energy to maintain themselves and function. The ultimate source of energy is the sun. Non-living matter is made up of inorganic substances. Inorganic compounds can become part of the structure of an atom. Inorganic compounds can become part of the structure of an organism. These compounds eventually return to the environment due to respiration, excretion, death, or decay. Physical characteristics include the location and structure of the space an organism lives. This might be in a saguaro cactus in the desert. It could be in the ocean. It could be in a sycamore tree or under a rock. Physical characteristics also include weather and climate. Weather is the state of the atmosphere at a place and time as regards to heat, dryness, sunshine, wind, rain, snow, etc. Climate takes into account weather over a large number of years. Weather and climate can include solar radiation, wind patterns, and proximity to water. They also take into account the seasons at different locations. Weather and climate can also impact the type and quality of soil. Biotic factors are living things. Biotic factors include plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, and prokaryotes. Abiotic and biotic factors influence the environment of organisms and the study of ecology.